Located on Sycamore Lane in Murchison, Texas, this 0.19-acre lot can be yours for as little as $200 down. Nestled in the serene and peaceful Callender Lake area, this charming property is just 25 minutes from Athens and 35 minutes from Tyler, Texas, offering the perfect mix of tranquility and accessibility. Whether you're looking to build a weekend retreat, vacation getaway, or your dream home, this lot is a fantastic opportunity. Plus, owner financing is available, making it easier than ever to own your own piece of land. Don't wait. Start your journey today. Contact us now for more details. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Van Zant County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.